Hey everybody, welcome back. It's been a minute since my last video, and that's because so much has happened. So I'm going to go back and start from the beginning. So many of you commented and DM'd me saying you like the voiceover format. So I'm going to re-edit all my videos to include a voiceover and backstory. If you are new here, hey, I'm Alex, the pink goddess of all trades, and on this channel I do house cleanings and DIY home improvements while teaching myself new things. In this video, I'll be introducing the pastor's house, which is in need of major decluttering, deep cleaning, and organization. So, I'll be starting with the master bath. Let's take a look. So we're going to take it back to the first day I ever came to the house. When I arrived, the pastor opened the door for me and I was greeted by Ziva, a 3-year-old cane corso who looks like a horse and basically tackled me. It was awesome. I asked for a tour and what they wanted to focus on, and that's when he told me I'd be spending most of my time in the master bed and bath. So when I saw the condition of the bathroom, my plan was simply to get it looking neat and tidy as possible. I started throwing away visible trash and cleaning all the surfaces. There's also a walk-in closet that no one can walk into, but that is a project for another day. This is just the first day, so it is a work in progress. A lot of things need to be put away and organized. Kind of just get them out of the way and clear as much of the surfaces as possible. So the pastor informed me that they both love fragrances, and that love has contributed to the massive collection of perfume bottles, scented lotions, and body wash. This bathroom is where the pastor's wife, Joy, applies her makeup and gets ready every day, so the important thing is to make sure her things are accessible. The bathroom being clean and slightly more organized, getting ready in the morning should be smooth, with a place for everything and everything in its place. Now the last steps for the day are the tub, then to sweep and steam mop the floors. Now I speak for myself when I say a clean bathroom gives me a sense of accomplishment and peace. Let me know in the comments section how a clean bathroom makes you feel. Now, get ready for some awesome before and afters. You guys have been awesome. Thank you so much for coming back. And thank you so much for being so patient. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.